Hey there. Got a Sharp TV that's been hit with the dreaded green screen problem? Fear not. In this guide on how to fix Sharp TV green screen, I'll take you through effective steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue, restoring the vibrant colors and crisp picture quality you love. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. First off, let's try the old-fashioned but often effective method of power cycling your Sharp TV. Start by turning off the TV and unplugging it from the wall socket. Wait a good 60 seconds to ensure all residual power is discharged. Then, plug it back in and power it on. This can help reset minor software glitches that might be causing the green screen. Step 2. Check input connections. The next thing to do is examine your input connections. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected to both the TV and any external device like a cable box or a gaming console. If a cable is loose or damaged, it can lead to display issues, including the green screen. Try using a different HDMI port or replacing the cable to see if the problem persists. Sometimes simply switching to a different input source and back can resolve the issue. Step 3. Adjusting picture settings. If power cycling and checking connections didn't solve this issue, it's time to dive into your TV's picture settings. Grab your remote and go to the TV's settings menu. Look for the picture or display settings and reset them to default. Sometimes incorrect color calibration can lead to a green tint. By resetting to factory settings, you can eliminate any accidental configuration that could be the culprit. Step 4. Update TV firmware. Outdated software can be the cause of many tech issues, including display problems. Ensure your Sharp TV software is up to date. Go to the settings menu, navigate to Support or System Update, and check for any available firmware updates. Keeping your TV running the latest software helps it function smoothly, potentially resolving the green screen issue. Step 5. Consult the user manual. If you've tried the above steps and the issue persists, it might be helpful to refer to your TV's user manual. The manual can offer manufacturer-specific troubleshooting advice that is tailored to your model. If you don't have a physical copy, Sharp typically provides digital versions on their website. Take a few minutes to look through the troubleshooting section for guidance. And there you have it, your guide on how to fix Sharp TV green screen. These troubleshooting steps are usually effective at resolving the green screen issue and getting your TV back to delivering stunning visuals. However, if you still encounter problems after working through these tips, it might be time to contact Sharp's customer support or seek professional help. Remember to handle all cables and connections with care and prioritize safety, especially when dealing with electrical devices. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the green screen hitch and enjoy your Sharp TV as it's meant to be, clear and colorfully vibrant. Happy watching.